Good morning, Ms. Neville's math students. Here is our weekly check-in. So today, on Monday, we're going to have a live session where there will be class. We're going to be practicing with simplifying fractions still. Tuesday, there will be a live session practicing with simplifying fractions. Wednesday, there will be no live session. Wednesday, there will be no live class. Instead, you'll be taking your divisibility rules quiz on Schoology during our math time. Thursday, there will be a live session to make up for Wednesday as not having one, where we'll be beginning adding and subtracting decimals. Now, let me be clear. You are only allowed to take your divisibility rules quiz during our math block. From 12:28 is when you'll be allowed to see it until 1:44. If you do not finish your quiz in that time, you'll have Friday to make it up. I will not let you work on it for 3 days in a row. You'll only get to work on it during our math period on Wednesday, and then on Friday if you don't get to finish it. If there are any questions, please reach out to me about that. I also want to make sure you understand my office hours. I am only on campus near my school phone or in Teams from 8 in the morning until 4 o'clock in the evenings. That's the only times I'm able to respond to any emails or anything. Now, if I happen to check my email and respond to your email, I'll do that. But if not, please don't count on Ms. Neville being available at 9 o'clock at night on a Sunday, okay? Please reach out to me during my office hours if you have any questions. Have a great Monday, guys.